completely with the green Jasper and the tree agate and the Turritella agate. I've been running this load since August of last year, August of 2021. It's been a fun load to tumble. We've really taken our time with it to get the result that we've gotten. These stones are beautiful. As you probably saw when I dumped them, they've been burnished. They've been ran with a mixture of a couple different things that I like to do to burnish them. We'll do the close-up over here. These stones came out absolutely beautiful. If you take your time, yeah, I know I'm talking about a 6 or 7 month tumble, but it was well worth it. If you take your time with this stuff, you can create an end product that is absolutely amazing. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead, I'll switch over to this camera. We'll go through some of the really nice ones. I mean, they're all great. Alright, so that'll conclude the video. I'm really glad that you were able to follow along. I'm excited to share this hobby with you. This is a great hobby, and if you haven't entered into this hobby and you're thinking about it, it can cost you some money, and you can do it for also, if you're careful about it and you go out and pick out some of your own stones like we're going to be doing this summer, and I'm going to take you along with some of those. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money. Probably the number one cost in all of this is, of course, the tumbler, whichever style you pick, and your grits. Appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up. I would also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. And I hope to be bringing out all kinds of great new content. We're currently looking for a new place to have our shop so we can have a nice wood shop and begin to make some products together. Again, we'll make some cutting boards, we'll make some coffee tables, maybe I'll get a lathe and we'll do some epoxy pours and some wood turning. I haven't figured everything out yet, but I do hope to be able to bring that to you guys as my audience, and an exciting new location. So thank you for everybody that's followed along. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. And until we see each other again, everybody out there, stay blessed. Okay, so we're here. We're with the green